everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, I have not one, not two, but three super fun projects for us to do tonight. So first thing we're going to do is take these hair ties or scrunchies from Dollar Tree. And I have this key fob hardware from Joann Fabrics. And we are going to make a super cool, it's going to be a key like lanyard, but it's going to be like something you can put on your, like a wristlet. Easy peasy. Put the elastic on the inside of your key fob holder, and then I just use these pliers. Yeah, they're beat up, but look at how fun. Put our key ring on it, and ta-da! We've got a key fob holder lanyard thing. I think it's kind of cool because I'm always losing my keys. Anyways, second project, we're going to use the same, we're going to use some webbing, and I'm going to cut it down to 12 inches. Perfect. Then I have this ribbon I got at Michael's. Look at their mustaches. Isn't that fun? Little mustaches. Anyways, cut it the same size. We also have some hem adhesive. This is Surebond, I think. I got it at Joann's. I'm going to cut it the same size as both our ribbon and our webbing. And then we're going to iron it because that hem adhesive will adhere the two together. No sew, right? Now we're going to use the same key fob hardware. We're going to fold it in half, and the two raw ends we're going to put inside our key fob, and then just squish them together with our pliers. And look, we have a key. It's a lanyard. I keep calling it a key fob. It's a lanyard. How exciting! Now here's this one's my favorite. Now I have a tie. I think I got it at Goodwill for like $1. We put in our put it in I think 5 inches. You want 5 inches hanging out, right? And I just used a key ring. This is like a split ring. And then we're going to fold it over like this. It's kind of hard to describe, but we're just going to fold it over and then wrap it around the back. Now put it through the ring. We're trying to tie a tie, right? I can't wait for you to see this. Put it through the ring, then flip it over, and then you're going to put that tail through. See, I'm going to put my finger through there. We're going to pull this through that loop, tighten it up, and look at me, the tie. It's a little tie. It's a little tie key ring. Are you kidding me? Stop it. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Then I just cut off the excess. We'll use this rest of the tie for something else. I just raw edged, just cut it the same kind of shape as the front one, and then I glued it down with just hot glue. I mean, this is a key ring. We're not going to be, opening and closing it all the time. Easy peasy. But are you kidding me? Like, stop. It is adorable. I love it. I do put a figure protector on because the silk is very, the heat goes through it really easily. But look at how cute. I love it. And then, of course, you're going to put a split ring on top of that. At least I did. I mean, you don't have to, but I think a split ring on top of that is really important. And then, look, I put a little tag on it. It says, "To one terrific dad." How fun are these? Friends, thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll try one of them.